Hey friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am comparing two smartphones. One of them is Vivo V1 Max and the other one is Xiaomi eLife S7. Vivo launched the V1 Max in India at a price tag of Rs 21,980 and it is available offline and online. While the Xiaomi eLife launched in India at a price tag of Rs 24,999 and it is available offline. If you buy online this smartphone, then you will not get the warranty. So it is advised and recommended that you buy Xiaomi smartphone from offline retailers. And although the Xiaomi launched the eLife S7 in India at a price tag of Rs 24,999, but right now it is available at a price tag of Rs 20,000. So it will be tough to buy which phone you can buy in a price tag of nearly 20,000. On the specifications front, Vivo V1 Max features 5.5-inch HD display, while the Xiaomi eLife S7 features full HD display with a screen size of 5.2 inch. It has a AMOLED LED display. Above all, the screen is protected. The display on Xiaomi eLife S7 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3rd version 3. The resolution on both the smartphone is decent and pretty good. You will not find any problem while using any of the smartphone. Above the display on Xiaomi eLife S7 there is range of sensors, speaker gill and 8 megapixel camera. While on the Vivo V1 Max there is range of sensors with Vivo branding, speaker gill and 5 megapixel front camera. Below the display there are capacity buttons on Vivo V1 Max, while the navigation buttons are part of the display on Xiaomi eLife S7. On the right hand side there is a power key and volume rocker button. At the back both the smartphone has 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. Xiaomi eLife S7 has Xiaomi branding and the back panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass version 3. There is a mic on Xiaomi eLife S7, while the Vivo V1 Max has Vivo branding, speaker, 13 megapixel camera with LED flash and another speaker. At the back there are dual speaker. On the left hand side there is a SIM card slot on Vivo V1 Max. Removing the SIM card slot gives you access to dual SIM card slots, while on the Xiaomi eLife S7 there is also a SIM card slot, and removing this gives you access to dual SIM card slots. At the top, Vivo V1 Max has 3.5mm audio jack, while at the bottom there is a micro USB slot for data transfer and charging at the bottom, and a mic on Vivo V1 Max, while there is a speaker, a mic and 3.5mm audio jack on Xiaomi eLife S7. The Vivo V1 Max, when we talk about the display front, the Vivo V1 Max has a advantage, but when we go by the pixels ratio, then Xiaomi eLife S7 has a advantage over V1 Max. Clicking on the notification toggle panel on both the devices doesn't give much information, while tapping on the settings button on both the smartphone gives you access to all the settings available in your smartphone. The Xiaomi eLife S7 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 1.7 GHz octa-core MediaTek processor, while the Vivo V1 Max is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 processor, which is paired with Adreno 405 GPU. While there may be as it Vivo V1 Max uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 processor, so there might be hitting issues. The Vivo V1 Max runs on Android version 5.0.2 with the FunTouch OS on top of it. The FunTouch OS version is 2.1, while the Xiaomi eLife S7 is, as earlier mentioned, it is powered by 1.7 GHz octa-core MediaTek processor, and it runs on Android version 5.0 with Amigo 3.0 right on top of it. The Xiaomi eLife S7 has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. There are no chances by which you can increase the memory on Xiaomi eLife S7, while the Vivo V1 Max has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. You can increase the memory up to 128 GB on Vivo V1 Max. That's a pretty good amount of memory when you expansion in Vivo V1 Max. Clearly on memory front, the Vivo V1 Max has advantage as of now. The on display front and on storage, V1 Max is the winner, and the Xiaomi eLife S7 weighs 126 gram, while the Vivo V1 Max weighs 169 gram. The Xiaomi eLife 7 packs 2750 mAh battery, while the Vivo V1 Max packs 2720 mAh battery. Clearly there is a slight difference in battery capacity on both the smartphone. Otherwise the battery capacity, which we round figure it almost same. The battery backup on both the smartphone is decent, and you will not find any problem while charging the smartphone. When talk about at a price segment of nearly 20,000, both the devices are pretty good and well built. The build quality of the device is pretty good, and you can't say that both the device comes with cheap metal or bad build quality. The camera on both the smartphone is of 13 megapixel with LED flash, and the front camera on Xiaomi eLife S7 is 8 megapixel camera, while on the Vivo V1 Max is 5 megapixel camera. Clearly the front camera of Xiaomi eLife S7 is pretty good, and when compared with the front camera of Vivo V1 Max. We'll share more about the both the devices in upcoming video. As of now, all I can say that at a price check of nearly 20,000, both the devices are pretty good, and if you go by specifications front, then Vivo V1 Max has the advantage over Xiaomi eLife S7. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.